Okay, so now we're going to solve two-step equations, and we have to solve for c. All right, so I have 2c minus 6 equals 2. So all you have to do is to solve for c by using the opposite operations of the numbers, right, to isolate c by itself. So in order to do that, I see a negative 6 here. We're subtracting 6 on this side. So I need to add 6 to cancel it out. All right. And then whatever I do on the left side of the equal sign, I do the same thing to the right side. So basically we have 2c minus 6 equals 2. All right. So I need to get rid of this 6 here. So I'm going to add 6. If I add 6 here, I need to add it to the other side as well. All right, this cancels out negative 6 plus 6. All right, that makes 0. So now I have 2c equals, and then I have 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. All right, I still have 2c. I still just need 1c. I need c by itself. So in order to do this, all right, because 2 is being multiplied to c right now, I'm going to do the opposite of multiplying, which is dividing. So divided by 2, whatever I do on this side, do it to the other side of the equal sign. All right. So now if I do that, I will get, let's try orange. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now I have 1c, which is just c. 1c and c is the same thing. And that equals 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that means c should equal 4. If you want to double check down here, that is the correct answer, 4. All right, so this is pretty much just basic algebra. We're looking at isolating the number, or not the number, the variable, the letter to itself. By doing that, you just use the opposite operation. So we have 3 equals 2z minus 1. In order to do this, I'm going to add 1 right away. All right. This way I have 4 equals 2z. And then I still need to get rid of this 2, so I'm going to divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 2z divided by 2 is just z. So my answer should be 2. All right. Now for this next problem, I have 3 plus 2p equals 9. All right. To do this, again, same thing. You need to isolate p by itself. All right. So some people probably didn't realize this, but you have to do the adding or subtracting first. Anything that's being added or subtracted to the variable should be the first operation that you try to cancel out. Because right now, if I wanted to divide the whole thing by 2, all right, it gets kind of messy. It turns into a fraction. All right, this turns into 3 halves. And then plus, well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it'll be plus p. And then that equals 9 over 2. It gets messy. It's really doable, too. It's just, it is messier. And not as fun to deal with. And then now we have to get rid of the 3 halves on this side to get p by itself. So I will subtract 3 halves. All right. So now I have now I have p, and this cancels out. So now I have p, and that equals, well, what's 9 minus 3? That's 6. And then they're both over 2, so it's 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So p equals 3. It's doable, but like I said, it gets messy. All right, and I hope that is helpful. Anyone have questions about that?